Hey great people, welcome to Florevrard's guide. How you guys doing? Thanks for tuning in. Christmas is at the corner. Are you thinking of which activity to engage your student with during this period of different kinds of holidays? Then this scrapbook is for you. Let's go through it. So we're going to explore this book, and it's all about holiday. We are in the period of holidays where we have the Christmas holiday, the New Year holiday coming up. We also have the special days like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all the holidays you can imagine. So this is just a summary book of the different holidays that we have here in Thailand. Even though some of them, they still go to school, but I asked them to come out with a book like this. So I'm going to be showing you the different kind of holidays we have here. So keep watching. So we have the first. Can you see how beautifully made it is? We have Mother's Day. Here they celebrate Mother's Day on the 12th of August, but we'll sadly announce the death of our queen. So that's the reason why we are mourning in Thailand right now. May her soul rest in perfect peace, and also may God strengthen and grace the bereaved family. Normally, we always celebrate Mother's Day on the 12th of August. And during Mother's Day, we have a lot of activities, or we have a lot of gifts you can give to your mom. So I asked my students to write some of the gifts that they can give to their mother or their guardians. Not only your direct mother, but someone that is there for you, guiding you, is your mom, is your guardian, okay, is your parent. So let's see some of the gifts. You see the way they presented this is so beautiful. Can you see the book? So the first one we will see is card. So it is written both in English and in Thai language. So we can see it's written in Thai and in English. We have some of the gifts include cat. So that's the name in Thai. Next we have gifts of various kinds. Kong Kwan is written in Thai. Kong Kwan. We have the next is, can give your mom a hug. You can give your mommy a hug. You must not only give. If you don't have the means or money to buy a gift, you can give them a beautiful hug. We also have the next is carnation, like that. So there are many kinds of gift, guys. We have jasmine flower. This is a very popular flower here in Thailand. It's a very precious flower that most children or students or even people give to their mother during Mother's Day. It's a very precious, beautiful flower. It's called a jasmine flower. You can check that on Google. So you see how beautiful this book is. Let's keep exploring it, guys. The next is, you see, let's get to the next holiday. After Mother's Day, we have which other holiday that is celebrated here in Thailand? Can you see? This book is really beautiful. We see we have Songkran Festival. It's a very popular holiday in Thailand where it is always celebrated in April. Yes, that's a festival. They call it the water festival because during that time places are very hot, extremely hot in Thailand, and so they always throw water, and you see it's fun. And after that 3 days of the festival, places become normal, cool, and so it's a wonderful day in Thailand. It's called a Songkran festival. So let's see some of this vocabulary about this day, what you see during that day, or the reason for that day. You see the sector, you see where this vocabulary is coming from. Look at where the student placed them. It's really beautiful. So the first one here, we have the tradition, and they said tradition in Thai means papani. Papani in Thai. So they wrote them in English and in Thai. We have fun. Yes, the day is characterized by a lot of fun. Let's check the next vocabulary. We have water gun. The water gun is called Punchit Nam. Punchit Nam. Next vocabulary. See where the vocabulary are coming from. Very beautiful. Temple. The temple is a significance of their temple because they do it there too, which is called in Thai Wat. Temple is called Wat. We have the next vocabulary. We have Sun Pagoda. Sun Pagoda is a particular thing, they call it Pasatai, that they always do during the festival. You can check that on Google, where they build sun and play over it and give like worship, some stuff like that. The next is culture. Culture means Watanatam. Okay, culture means Watanatam. So it is their culture here in Thailand to do that. And the last one that we have here is monk. They give respect to their monk, and the monk is also called in Thai Pasong. So this is what characterizes the Songkran festival in Thailand. So let's keep those vocabulary back. Very beautiful, guys. Isn't that beautiful? We have Mother Day there. We have the Songkran festival here. So guys, let's keep that back. Keep the vocabulary in there, so you see how beautiful this book is. See where those vocabulary are coming from. Oh my God, this is creativity in its peak. Okay, so let's explore the next holiday, which is, guess which one is that? Chinese New Year. This is a Chinese New Year holiday, which is a very important day here, also celebrated in Thailand. Yeah, because they have a good relationship with the Chinese people. So during their Chinese holiday, they also respect that day. You know, we have some series of activities here in school. See, they wrote in Chinese language. And let's see some of the vocabulary about this day. We have sticky rice cake. That's some of the popular dishes during the Chinese holiday that is being eaten. We have sweet rice ball. So that's it. That's a sweet rice ball written in English and in Thai. What do we also have that is common on that day? We have the firecrackers. Firecrackers. Another vocabulary we can learn from it is the lantern. They also make lantern. They make use of that as they make lantern during the llove festival. There is a festival they call the llove. They make lanterns, so they also make it during this in their own Chinese form during the Chinese New Year. And we also have the next is the red envelope. The red envelope is another significant or symbol for that day, and whole lot. So those are the vocabulary we can get during Chinese holiday. The next holiday we're going to see is the New Year holiday, which is coming soon. I hope you like this one, right? You get it. But I think they were supposed to do the Christmas holiday first before the New Year, but they did the Christmas afterwards, no problems. So let's check out the New Year holiday. Wow, which is coming soon, guys. Your student will love this. Your children will love this book. It's just a summary of all the beautiful special holidays that we just can't wait to have them. First vocabulary we have here is fireworks. Yes, we all know what firework is. Fireworks makes everywhere beautiful during holiday. The next vocabulary we'll be seeing is what? Guess, guys, can you guess? Boop. Toast. Do we have toast? Yes, we do toast on that day. Another one we can have is midnight. That moment that which everyone is waiting to get into the new beautiful year. So it's a very important vocabulary used. Okay, the next is champagne. Yes, we pop champagne and speak positive thing for the new year. Okay, so we have champagne popping, and we also have what again? Celebration. Yeah, celebration. So those are the few vocabulary we can pick for New Year's Eve. Oh, okay, New Year's Eve. That is the New Year's Eve. This is New Year's Eve, not New Year Day. Sorry, guys, New Year Eve. So after that, we have the New Year, right? Same, it's the same thing. So let's see the next holiday. The next holiday is the Christmas Day, yay! Which is soon coming in some few weeks. Okay, so let's see some of the vocabulary. Of course, we do have lots of vocabulary, but this is just a summary of some vocabulary we can have during Christmas. We have Santa Claus, yay! Can you see Santa Claus? The next we have star. Okay, that's another significant or symbol of Christmas. We have stockings. Okay, we have candy cane. Candy cane. We have what else? The Christmas tree. Yay! And rift, and so on. There are a whole lot of them that they didn't put here, but this is just a summary, guys, and that is it. This book is just a clue of some of the holidays we have here in Thailand and in the world at large. At the end of the book, like my normal routine, I always give them the must write a role play about this holiday. This is it. Let's just look through it. We have if there are 5 of them in their group, like these are the members of this group, you say 1 2 3 4 5 6, so they're gonna make a role play of 6 of them and they will present it in front of my class. So guys, I am sharing this book with you guys so that you can also forward this video to your students, forward them to your children, forward them to do something within themselves. It's not only playing phone from morning till night, watching movies round the clock. They can get creative. They can get creative and spend time with their pen and pencil and colors and papers. Create something beautiful in the house. It is not only in the school milieu. Okay guys, so please share this book to your friends so that they can get a clue and make learning fun and interesting. Remember, I'm teaching students learning English as their second language in Thailand, so them learning English or vocabularies through this form helps them a lot, and it's not boring to them because they find it very easy to grasp or remember some of those sentences or vocabulary into their fingertips. So if you find this book helpful, and what are you still waiting for? Share it to your friends, share it to your students. Let them create even something more beautiful. Okay, this is a festive period. This is what you need for your lesson. If you have been thinking of which activity to give your student, I got you covered here. Okay, this. Okay guys, I'm going to end here. If this is your first time of tuning into Florevrard Guide, you're highly welcome. Please make sure you also subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because if you do not turn on the notification bell, how will you know if another beautiful scrapbook comes up? Okay, thank you for the love and everything. God bless you. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.